If you're new to SEO, it can feel overwhelming. With so much information available, it's hard to know where to start. But don't worry, in this article, we'll break down the basics of SEO for beginners. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs, and drive traffic to your site. Search engines like Google and Bing use complex algorithms to rank websites based on various factors such as keywords, content quality, and backlinks. SEO is about understanding those algorithms and making changes to your website that will help it rank higher on SERPs. Why is SEO important? If you have a website, SEO is crucial. It helps potential customers find you online, which can lead to increased traffic, more leads, and ultimately more sales. Without SEO, your website may be buried on the 10th page of search results, making it nearly impossible for anyone to find. The basics of SEO. Keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that people enter into search engines to find what they're looking for. For example, if someone is looking for a restaurant in New York City, they might search for best restaurants in NYC. Keyword research involves finding the keywords that are relevant to your business and optimizing your website around those keywords. There are several tools you can use for keyword research, including Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. These tools can help you find keywords that have high search volume and low competition. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves making changes to your website to make it more search engine friendly. This includes optimizing your content, images, and meta tags. Content optimization. To optimize your content, you should include your target keywords in your headlines, subheadings, and throughout your content. However, it's important to avoid keyword stuffing, which is when you cram too many keywords into your content in an attempt to rank higher. This can actually hurt your rankings, as search engines view it as spammy. Images optimization. When it comes to images, you should optimize them by compressing their file size, adding alt tags, and including your target keywords in the file name and alt tags. Meta tag optimization. Meta tags are snippets of code that describe the content of a web page. The two most important meta tags for SEO are the meta title and meta description. The meta title is the title of the web page that appears on search engine results pages. The meta description is a brief description of the web page that appears beneath the meta title. Both should include your target keywords and be written in a way that entices users to click through to your website. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization involves improving your website's reputation and authority through external links. The more high-quality external links you have pointing to your website, the higher your website will rank on search engine results pages. There are several strategies you can use to build external links. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other websites, and include a link back to your website in your author bio. Broken link building. Find broken links on other websites and offer to replace them with links to your website. Influencer outreach. Reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to share your content with their followers. Local SEO. If you have a local business, local SEO is essential. Local SEO involves optimizing your website and online presence to rank higher in local search results. To optimize your website for local SEO, you should include your city and state in your website's meta tags and content. Create local business listings on Google My Business, Yelp, and other online directories. Encourage customer reviews on online review sites like Google. And mobile optimization. With more people than ever before accessing the internet on their mobile devices, mobile optimization is crucial for SEO. Search engines like Google prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their rankings. So if your website isn't optimized for mobile, you're likely missing out on potential traffic. To optimize your website for mobile, you should use a responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes. Use large, easy-to-read fonts. Minimize the use of pop-ups and interstitials. Make sure your website loads quickly on mobile devices. Content marketing. Content marketing is a crucial part of SEO. The more high-quality content you have on your website, the more opportunities you have to rank for different keywords and attract traffic. When creating content for your website, you should focus on topics that are relevant to your business and your audience. Use your target keywords throughout your content. Include images and videos to break up your content and make it more engaging. Promote your content on social media and other online channels. Analytics and monitoring. To track your SEO progress and make adjustments to your strategy, you should use analytics and monitoring tools. Google Analytics is a free tool that can help you track your website traffic, monitor your rankings, and identify areas for improvement. You should regularly review your analytics too. Monitor your website traffic and bounce rate. Identify your top performing pages and keywords. Monitor your backlinks and external mentions. Monitor your social media engagement. Final thoughts. SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, but by focusing on the basics, you can start to improve your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Remember to focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, local SEO, mobile optimization, content marketing, and analytics and monitoring. With time and effort, you can start to see improvements in your website's rankings and traffic.